In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Notion. Checkboxes in Notion are great for simple to-do lists, quick reminders, or breaking a project into bite-sized tasks. The nice part is, you don't need any special menus or commands to get started. Open any Notion page and head to a new, blank line. Type an open square bracket followed by a close square bracket, and then press the spacebar. As soon as you press space, Notion instantly converts that line into a checkbox item. This is a built-in shortcut, so if you see the box appear, you're in the right place. Once the first checkbox is created, adding more is effortless. Every new line you create directly after a checkbox automatically continues the checklist. The quickest way to make that new line is to press Enter. Each line becomes its own checkbox, so you can quickly build a list of tasks without repeating the shortcut. This is perfect for jotting down items as they come to mind, and it keeps everything visually consistent and easy to scan. If you want to create a bit of structure, you can add sub-checkboxes. Place your cursor on a checkbox line and press Tab to indent it under the item above. This creates a nested checklist, which is especially useful for breaking a larger task into smaller, actionable steps. For example, you might have a main task like Plan Event, and then sub-checkboxes for booking the venue, confirming the date, and organizing materials. Indenting makes the relationship clear and keeps your list organized. A couple of quick pointers to make this work smoothly. The bracket shortcut works best when you're starting on a fresh line. If you type brackets in the middle of a sentence that's part of a paragraph block, Notion won't convert it. Also, when you're building out a long checklist, keep related items together so you can skim and update them quickly. As you work through your list, those boxes are there for you to tick off, giving you instant visual feedback on your progress. And that's really all there is to it. Type an open and close square bracket, press space to create your first checkbox, press Enter to keep adding more on new lines, and press Tab to indent sub-checkboxes when you need a hierarchy. With just these simple moves, you can transform any page into a clean, structured checklist that's ready to use. Give it a try the next time you're planning your day or organizing a project, and enjoy the simplicity and speed of Notion's checkbox shortcut.